Hey everyone, it's Gabrielle and I'm over here today at Oxmoor Ford Lincoln. Now today I have Trevor here with me. He's going to go over a few details on a 2020. This is the Ford Escape. It's the SE. So Trevor, talk a little bit about it.
So starting from the front, we have halogen projected lights. We also have active grille shutters inside, and that helps with fuel economy. In the 2020 Escape, you notice that the design's become more elongated and wider for people with longer legs and wider shoulders. Coming to the back, we have 17-inch rims. We'll go a little bit further back to the end of here, and basically we have LED headlight or tail lights, excuse me. Twin chrome tip exhaust. Now we'll step around here and go into the inside. And of course, as you can see, I am a little bit over 6'1", and I can fit into the back seats very comfortably. The seats actually move in the back, so it's ideal for people with, a taller family or just wanting more legroom simply. As you can see, there's also 2 USB ports in the middle. Panoramic Vista sunroof, which is a very nice add-on, especially when you're going through the city at night or simply during the day. As you can see on the inside, we have heated seats, an 8-inch touchscreen, basically your safety package system, which is Ford Copilot 360, which has an amenity of things, including side blind zone, pre-collision assist, and a few other options there as well.
All right, thank you so much, Trevor, for going over all that information. All right, guys, if you have any questions, would like to stop in, take a closer look, even take it for a test drive, let us know. All of our contact information is listed right here. Thanks, everyone, for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye, guys.